in the area of cake shops, you've always been in the same area, in the same category. What helps a brand sustain 120 years?
So our vision is to cater, give happiness to our customers, and in a way which is very affordable and value for money. So our founders have stick to this philosophy and giving quality at a very affordable prices. So in spite of a lot of changes happening in over the decades and years, we have maintained our quality at a consistent price, and people are still patronizing us.
What about the future? Do you think this competition will increase? There is going to be, and what is the two things? What is the future going to be for Manjani's, and is there innovation, and what is the innovation?
Sure. So innovation, if you see, in the future, so a lot of new things, new initiatives which we are already taking up, which we can confidently say which will keep us in good stead in the future. We are pivoting from a cake shop to also parallelly looking at a premium kind of a segment, which is like I can serve my cakes, pastries, and stuff along with beverages. So beverage as a core category is missing in my store. As I told you earlier, I have got cakes, I have got pastries, I have got savories and packaged cakes.
Yeah.
Beverage those are missing. So a Starbucks or a Cafe Coffee Day retails a coffee at cappuccino at 250 rupees, whereas in my store if I can retail it at 120 of the same quality with along with other beverages,
And give them the time to sit.
give them the time to sit and have this paneer patties at 25-30 bucks and a chicken patties at 30 bucks, which are 300 rupees.
You will have killed the market.